So this is the Urang True Rose Repair Essence. We've been using this for about 2 months, maybe a bit longer. I think this was the first product I introduced. I think I was so excited to use it because I'm a mini convert of Urang. Most of my skincare at the moment is Urang. So I've been using this twice a day, morning and night as my essence step. How about you?
I've been using it in the evening after I've taken off my makeup, and like after I've applied toner, I put this on just to like kind of calm my skin down from like touching it so much. But I really liked it. I find it really cooling, and the thing is, when I tried to put it in the fridge, I felt that it just froze up and it wouldn't actually come out the bottle.
Interesting.
So, but when I kept it out the fridge, it still stayed cool without like, and when you applied it onto the skin, it also kind of cooled the skin down. I don't know.
Yeah, no, I found the same. So so on a morning, generally, I'll use vitamin C. On an evening, I will flip between usually retinol, usually Cosrx active of some description, whichever one I'm using at the moment. And then when my skin is having a bad time, I'll cut those out, but consistently using the essence after either the toner or the active. It had a really nice calming effect, and if my skin was flared up and I wasn't using any acids or anything, it just helped keep things really nice and helped repair my skin and get it back to a place where I could kind of reintroduce those steps. But then when I was using acids, it had an extra calming effect after using something that can be quite heavy.
Did you find the scent overpowering at all, or?
So I don't really remember even being able to smell anything. And I think when because I've got a couple of rose products from Urang, I'm not a big fan of rose, so I was really concerned that it would be over because I don't like the scent, but I don't smell it. And the worst thing for me is applying a skincare product or applying a makeup product and being able to smell it on my face all day. And as soon as you kind of read that something's got essential oils in it, you might kind of then go, oh, but this is going to be really I've not ever smelt that. It just
it's just like kind of like a refreshing kind of smell. It's not too heavy, and it's not something that you actually remember really. It's just it feels nice and it smells nice in the moment, but then it's not something that irritates you.
No, and I don't even think because we've had a particularly cold few weeks, I was a bit worried that maybe because it was so light, it wouldn't kind of give me what I needed in terms of moisturisation over winter. But I've not had any issues with dryness. This is probably the first winter in a long time actually that I've not had any dry patches. For anybody that's kind of mid-breakout or having a really tough time with their skin, I'd recommend just a really simple routine of this, a moisturiser, and probably actually the gel to water cleanser from Lagon. Just a really simple routine that will just really repair the skin and keep it nice and calm.
It looks pretty. like when you put it on your vanity or something, it just looks nice.
It makes a good shelfie. So would you recommend this to people with your skin?
Yeah.
Me too. And I'd repurchase this.
Yeah.